Hi everybody, welcome to week 1. I am recording this on Sunday of week 0. And I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what to expect for our class for this week. So Monday, we are meeting in person, and I will be doing a detailed overview of the ungrading policy and explaining why I do the ungrading and the method behind it. And then I'll be able to answer any questions that you have about anything that you're unclear on with how it works, how you track your progress, see your grades, all that stuff. So we'll have a lot of time and space to talk about that. We're also going to be testing out the annotation platform that we'll be using for the rest of the quarter called Hypothesis in class on Monday. So please bring a laptop or a tablet. You can also try it on your phone. It should work on your phone too, to test it out, and we'll troubleshoot anything that comes up before we get into the longer readings. And Wednesday, our topic is going to be historiographical kinship, which is something I made up. But if we stop to think about it, I think it makes sense. Basically introducing the idea of women's history as a field of study and as something that those of us who are now scholars of women's history, you all included at this point, what conversations we have or sort of connections we have to the scholars who have come before us. Which is an interesting idea. I want to just introduce this concept of historiography, which is the history of history writing, and what we may have in common or not with the scholars, especially the women historians who have come before. Then we'll go into our Asynchronous Friday. We're reading together an article by Adrienne Rich called Toward a Woman-Centered University. And I'm excited to see what you think about this article. It was written in 1973. And I think it actually is a good primer for getting into our discussion of UCSD as a historically significant place for women's history. So we'll think about Rich's idea of a women-centered university, what that looks like in comparison to the university we're at right now. And then as we get into our discussion next Monday, week 2, on this sort of annotated archive assignment that we have, looking at UCSD's past, I think it'll be helpful to bring those questions from Rich's article into our discussion of that. So that's the goal for this intro week. And then we're going to get into more of the, historical content as we go forward. So I'm excited to talk to you all about all of these things. And week 1, all you have due besides the week 1 class participation declaration is also the interactive syllabus. So if you haven't yet filled that out, do that, and I will respond to you in Canvas. And I will see all of you, or most of you, or some of you, on Monday. Thanks. Have a great weekend, or have a great week. Bye.